Hey there! I might be biased, but San Luis Obispo, it's a breath of fresh air. We've got the friendliest people, the glowiest sunsets, the rolliest hills, and the best access to the central coast of California. Let me prove it to you. Let's ride, my friends, to the city of San Luis Obispo. Park your car and put your bike pedal to the metal. Explore rolling California hills covered in dog-friendly and people-friendly trails. Smells like no stress and no traffic. And if drinking wine on patios is your kind of outdoorsy, we'll fill your cup. A little more. Perfect. And more for you too, pal. And cheers to that. So come live the slow life in San Luis Obispo. It stays with you.